Welcome, chefs. Here are the rules. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course has its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Chefs, please open your baskets. And we are looking at ice cream cones, lump crab meat, baby turnips, and pickled ginger. Only 20 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
I don't really have many strategies coming into the competition, but I'm a Cajun and Creole chef. And I was like, well, maybe I'll do crab meat remoulade and incorporate that into a salad.
There is an expression, those that can't do teach, and I'm here today to prove that saying wrong. I'll make a Malaysian-style crab cake with candied turnips. For the ice cream cone, I gotta reduce it down to its basic parts. That's now a breading.
First thing I think is crab cakes. I decide that I'm going to make a salad with the turnips and apple. Okay.
I wouldn't say that I'm a typical 16-year-old, but I'm definitely the youngest chef here. So I have a lot more to prove. I'm going to make a sautéed lump crab and frisée salad with Asian herbs and roasted baby turnips.
Okay, chefs, only 2 minutes left.
I get arugula. It's similar to a turnip green. It's peppery. So I take some arugula and the ginger and I puree it. I'm hoping there will be a nice little dressing that brings the whole dish together.
Time is ticking down, and I decide that the dish needs some citrus. So I grab an orange. My hands are shaking, and I'm getting kind of nervous that I'm not going to be finishing in time.
The appetizer round is almost a memory, chefs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Phil.
I made crab cake with glazed turnips and kurma curry sauce.
I like the use of curry. It is really a natural fit with the rest of the ingredients on the plate. But I kind of got half a crab cake because it had fallen apart.
Chef Greg.
I have a sautéed crab meat with a 5-spice brown butter, and then there's a frisée salad with a buttermilk dressing and some Thai herbs as well. The missing element on the dish is the roasted turnips, which I roasted with a dashi brown butter.
Missing an ingredient is not automatically a disqualifier, so the 3 of you should not relax yet.
I love the brown butter element, and I think the buttermilk vinaigrette is really good.
Chef Leslie.
I made pan-seared crab cake with a apple, turnip, and pickled ginger salad.
Well, Leslie, what I love about your dish is that it's refreshing.
Chef Jeremy.
What we have is a lump crab salad tossed in a ginger and tarragon dressing with ice cream cone at the bottom as a little sweet crouton, topped with arugula and just a little bit of arugula puree.
First of all, I think your presentation is lovely.
Thank you.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Greg, you've been chopped. This competition is just getting started. Chef Phil, Chef Leslie, Chef Jeremy, please open those baskets. And for the entree round, you must use city chicken, canned peaches, mustard greens, and fruit punch flavored sports drink. 30 minutes on the countdown clock. Time starts now.
So I decide I'm gonna make a play on pork and beans.
Behind you.
I get chipotle peppers and canned tomatoes to make barbecue sauce.
I've never heard of city chicken, but as soon as I open it up, I say, oh, this is pork. Why they call it city chicken, I don't know. But I instantly know this is perfect for grits and griots, which is a classic New Orleans dish. In old New Orleans, the chefs in the French Quarter would serve the most beautiful cuts of meat to all the paying guests.
I see the peaches, and I'd immediately think Morocco Mediterranean, so I'll make Moroccan spiced city chicken.
Behind you.
I want to give some crunch and starch to the dish, so I make a yogurt, cucumber, and carrot salad. Working as a chef, there's sacrifices. I don't think my kids realize how tough it is for me, but in the United States, there's a lot more opportunity, and the more successful I become, the more I can help my family when they need me.
All right.
All right, chefs, 1 minute left.
Oh my God.
Hey now. My heart's beating. I have my sports drink glaze. I have my canned peaches puree with the olive oil, so it makes this beautiful sauce.
Do not stumble here, chefs. It's the home stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Leslie.
I made city chicken, pork and beans.
I have to say, this pork is cooked perfectly.
Chef Jeremy.
All right, what we have here is my take on grits and griots on top of a brown butter polenta with wilted mustard greens on top.
I love the grits. I love just the mustard greens, and I love the flavor of the peaches.
And finally, Chef Phil.
I prepared for you Moroccan spiced city chicken with a tagine of peaches and olives, and I've accompanied with some seeded flatbread and some meze salad to help cleanse your palate.
I have to say, you really went all out on this dish.
Absolutely. Who knew that a Scottish-American chef would take us to Singapore and then Morocco? I just think that's brilliant.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Jeremy, you've been chopped. Chef Leslie, Chef Phil, you've made it all the way to the notorious dessert round. Are you ready to fight for that $10,000?
I'm ready to fight.
Let's do it.
Please open your baskets. And you must use carob syrup, spaghetti squash, figs, and walnuts. 30 minutes on the clock for the dessert round. Time starts now.
I'm going to do a crepe with a toasted walnut and caramelized fig filling.
As I look at all the ingredients, I know I want to make pudding, and I use the walnuts as a crunchy element. I don't know what to do with the spaghetti squash, but I need it steaming as quickly as possible because it's going to take a long time to cook. I check on the pudding, and it's not cooking fast enough, so I turn on the convection just to hopefully get these going to where I need them to be.
And chefs, 5 minutes left on the clock.
As I'm plating, I realized there was acid missing, so I ran for some raspberries. I want to make a raspberry shot to provide flavor, contrast, and some acid.
I check on the pudding. Oh, yeah, come on. I need it to stay in that oven as long as I can because I'm a little worried that it won't cook through.
Chefs, this is your 2-minute warning.
Oh, here we go.
I looked at the plate and see that there was a lack of texture, so I sprinkled some granulated sugar on top of the crepe and then bruleed it with the torch to give me a bit more crunch.
Forget the plan, chefs, and do whatever you can in these final seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Phil.
I made caramelized fig and walnut crepe, and then I was looking for some more acid, so I did this little shooter of some sweet raspberry.
I think that the walnut and the fig is delicious, and the mascarpone was a great vehicle to link them together, so to speak.
The crepe was the most enjoyable part of the dish for me, and also little bits of sort of like caramelized sugar in there, which added this nice crunch.
Last dessert, Chef Leslie.
I made a warm fig pudding with spaghetti squash seed and walnut crunch.
I like that you abandoned your squash, realizing it wasn't going to cook, and incorporating the seeds.
That was a great move.
My goal was not to give up.
I happen to really like the flavor of this. I get that carob, and I think the fig is wonderful.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Leslie, you've been chopped. And that means, Chef Phil Crispo, that you are the chopped champion.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Yes, thank you.